Welcome back. Now, if you choose to use Google Docs, it is possible. It's a little less straightforward. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go inside of your presentation. And then when you present, you're going to present with the presenter view. What that's going to do is that's going to open up two screens. You're going to see that you're going to get a dialog box, and that dialog box is going to have all your slides. It's also going to have your notes, any notes that you have for that particular presentation or the slide. And you're going to be able to move this window to your second screen so that you can watch it offline, and you'll be able to scroll through your slides. So for example, if I pull this screen off where you can't see it, yet I can then go to the next slide by clicking this screen. And I can bring it back in that very same way. So Google Docs also has a presentation view that you can actually use to record your videos. And this is a great feature to have if you are not going to speak extemporaneously. You can then create speaker notes, and you can create speaker notes for each slide, and you can write your notes in so that while you're presenting, you can use the content that you place in this area. You'll probably want to avoid a script and keep an outline you can speak from, but you can actually have your outline here, and it can be more detailed than the one that's going to be on your slide. And the same thing exists in the presenter area for Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll see here that for this slide, it says that there are actually no notes here. So where would you actually place the notes in your Microsoft PowerPoint? As you're creating your slides, you're going to have a view, and you can place the notes view so that you can see it, and you can write your notes in this area. And you can switch back to the normal mode. You can also access the notes area if you go all the way to the bottom of your screen and you click notes. And you can write your notes in this area. When you do that, you'll notice now that our notes are here on our display view where we can work with them while we do our presentation. Finally, it's very hard to achieve perfection anytime you're recording a video. What you don't want to do is to record the video, make a mistake, and then start the whole video over in your recording. You want to do your videos in one take, and that means that when you make a mistake, you want to place a loud noise, typically 3 loud claps that you'll be able to see in your audio on the timeline, and then you will actually go back through the editing process. For example, right now you're looking at an editing screen for Camtasia Studio. What you're going to notice is that there are 3 tall lines right here, distinct from the rest of the audio. And this is typically where if you made a mistake, you decide to make 3 loud noises or 3 loud claps, those 3 claps would appear on your timeline. Then you can go back and you can edit your audio. So by using this editing technique as well as your presenter view with an outline, you'll be able to record videos in less time, with less headache, and you'll finish more courses faster. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.